Hello everyone, I, Mrs. Namita Sawant from the Blossom Sundarabai Thakarse English High School, New Marine Lines Churchgate have prepared my short film on the concept of the reflection of light in a plane mirror from Science chapter number 11 of Standard 9th. This short film has been prepared to participate in Navnirman Science Education Short Film Festival 2021.
You must be familiar with reflection of light.
The process of turning back of light rays after falling on the surface of an object is called reflection. That's how everything is visible to us. Same thing happens when light rays fall on the flat mirror and gets reflected back. Now let us visualize this using a ball here. Imagine this ball to be the ray of light. If I will throw this ball, you can see that it bounces back or it gets reflected back. The surfaces which are smooth, shiny or polished reflect more light as compared to those who are unpolished and rough surfaces. The best reflector of light is silver. That's the reason a thin layer of silver metal is deposited on one side of the glass plate, making a plane mirror. Light follows certain laws of reflection. But before we discuss the laws of reflection, let's do a quick recap on the basic terms first. Here I have taken a plane mirror, a laser and a white screen for this activity. This white screen is nothing but a white cardboard. Let us switch on the laser light. Consider that a ray of light strikes a mirror. This ray of light is called as the incident ray. The point at which it strikes the mirror is called as the point of incidence. This ray of light which gets reflected back is called as the reflected ray. We can draw an imaginary line at the point of incidence. This line is called as normal. It is perpendicular to the mirror as you all can see here. The normal is used to measure the angles. The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called angle of incidence. It is represented by a small I. The angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal is called angle of reflection. It is represented by small r. There are three laws of reflection. The first law states that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. Here the plane is a white screen. The second law states that the incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. And the third law states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. As you can change the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection will also change. Now let us see what is reflection of reflected light or multiple reflection. It is the reflection of light several times back and forth between the reflecting surfaces. Do you know? Due to multiple reflection, multiple images are formed.
When two plane mirrors are kept inclined at an angle, they form multiple images of the object.
See, an object is placed in between two mirrors. The image formed by the first mirror acts as an object for the second plane mirror, and the number of images which can be formed can be calculated using a formula. Now, when I change the angle, you all can see that the number of images also changes.
This number of images can be calculated using the following formula.
Number of images formed, that is n, is equal to 360 degree upon a minus 1, where A represents the angle in between the two mirrors. Now, according to the given formula, let us substitute an angle of 90 degree in place of A. So, here 360 degree upon 90 minus 1. Now, let us divide. 360 divided by 90 is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, we can say that when two mirrors are kept perpendicular to each other, three images are formed. Now, we will change the angle. We will substitute 60 degree in place of A. 360 upon 60 minus 1. Now, let us divide 360 by 60, which will be equal to 6. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So, we can say that 5 images will be formed when two mirrors are kept at an angle of 60 degree. Kaleidoscope and periscope both use the properties of reflection of light.
I hope you all have understood what is reflection of light in a plane mirror. Let us check it with the help of a quiz here. The first question is, according to the laws of reflection, if I is equal to angle of incidence and R is equal to angle of reflection, then I will be equal to R will be greater than I will be greater than R, or I will not be equal to R. Correct answer is option A. I is equal to R. The next question is, the imaginary line perpendicular to a reflecting surface is called crooked line, angular line, parallel line, or normal. And the correct answer is option D, normal.
Congratulations!
I am highly grateful to our Principal Madam, Mrs. Geeta Pillai, for giving me this opportunity to participate in Navnirman Science Education Short Film Festival 2021. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.